Let me just say something that is of concern to the People's National Party. We are deeply concerned about the reports that we have received from our representative, and as has been reported in the media, that the Electoral Commission has not been given the requisite money to allow them to make adequate electoral preparations. We see, and we are not opposed by any means to that the others are putting on their electoral hat and preparing for elections. We have indicated that the country needs a new mandate for the decisions that have to be taken to get the economy on track. But we must insist that the Electoral Commission and the Electoral Office be given the $350 million that they require, and they be given it immediately, because the People's National Party will not countenance elections being held in chaos